So let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, this question, one division, one addition and one multiplication. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, first we have to solve this division. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 plus 3 multiply 2. Now we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve addition. So 4 plus 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. Now 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 10.